Dogs, cats, and other pets are beloved members of the family, but they can also introduce unwanted insects into the home. More importantly, some of these insects can spread diseases to your pets. For example, ticks can spread Lyme disease, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, tick paralysis, and other diseases to dogs and cats. These diseases cause symptoms in pets including loss of appetite, fever, swollen lymph nodes, joint swelling, or pain. Ticks can also cause anemia, skin irritation, and infection. People can get many of the same tick-borne diseases that affect pets. Lyme disease is probably the best known. You can't catch tick-borne diseases directly from your pet, but the same ticks that bite your animals can nibble on you too. How do pets get ticks? Ticks crawl onto tall grass and shrubs and wait for a host like your pet to pass by. They can wait for a year without feeding. Dogs are most likely to pick up ticks while walking in the woods or high grass from spring through fall. Outdoor cats can pick up ticks the same way. The brown dog tick can also live and reproduce inside your home. Its favorite hiding spot include cracks, curtains, under rugs, and furniture. How to keep your dog or cat tick-free? 1. Consider medications. Tick prevention medication come in two main categories: topical and oral medication. Topicals. These substances come in forms of medicated dust, colors, sprays, shampoos, and other topical treatments. Topical combination products for fleas and ticks are such as Revolution and Seresto, which comes in a form of a color. Some of these are given monthly and some can last for several months depending on the product. Most topical treatments and tick collars use insecticides that repel ticks, so they jump off your pet's body before biting them. Oral medications. These drugs such as NexGard, Simparica, Comfortus, Trifexis kills ticks via contact with your pet's blood. The tick is still going to bite and that bite could lead to a skin infection. But the tick will be killed before it can transmit any of the disease-causing organisms. Remember that you should stick to newer classes of repellents and medications since ticks have become resistant to certain chemicals over time. And don't use items meant for dogs and cats. And don't use items meant for adult animals on puppies or kittens. 2. Tick-proof your yard. Minor adjustment to your yard, such as keeping tall grass and weeds trimmed, and clearing leaf piles, and making a trick trap can make a big difference in keeping tick populations down. 3. Check your pet daily. This is especially important to do after your pet has spent time outdoors in areas where ticks are likely to be present. Even if your pet wears a tick preventive collar or is given a spot-on medication, it is a good idea to run a quick check during the summer months. What to do if you end up finding a tick on your pet? You need to remove a tick immediately after finding it on your pet to restrict exposure to any infections carried by the parasites. Use gloves or tissue to cover your hands. Grasp the tick with tweezers from the side by its head close to the skin. Pull straight up, don't twist. After removing the tick, place the entire tick in a small amount of rubbing alcohol to kill it. You may clean your pet's skin with a disinfectant and apply an antibiotic ointment on the skin.